Hello everyone, welcome back and welcome to FemMNY if you're new to the channel. Thank you guys so much for joining us. If you haven't subscribed as of yet, please do. It helps our channel grow. And you might as well please hit the notification bell so you'll get updated every time we have new upload. Now if you want to know how we made this arrangement, please stick around till the end. Thank you. Now let's start this. We have two balloons. You pair this up, it becomes duplet, and you take another two. Now it becomes quad. So you inflate your balloon in no particular size because this is gonna be an organic arrangement. So as you can see right now, I'm making more quads. All the materials, balloon sizes and color, we'll put it in the description down below. Please check that out. Now as you can see, I attached the balloon quad to our 7 feet tall gold round arch backdrop. So after I attach 3 quads directly on the frame, I will make it fuller. So in order to achieve a thicker or fuller garland, you will put another quads on top of the existing balloon that is already attached on the frame itself. Now as you can see here, I have a 260Q or modeling balloon. I tie it to our quad and then we'll add it to the existing balloon that is already on the frame, and that's how I make it thicker or fuller. And there you go. As you can see, I added some more quads. And the best thing about making organic garland is that you can always turn it around or move it around if you don't like the shape. Now for this one, as you can see, I pull one end of the balloon that is in the quad, do the same thing on the other quad, and tie both ends. And it becomes 8 clusters of balloon. And now to attach my green clusters of balloon, I attach it using my 260Q or modeling balloon. I did the same thing. I wrapped it around the existing balloon garland that is already on the frame. As you can see, the floral arrangement is already on. We apologize. We thought that video was recording when I put it on, but you'll be able to see on the other side. Now it's time to attach the rest of the balloon. So start with the gold. So I found it easier to start from the top and work your way down. So right here, as you can see, I added 260Q modeling balloon, tie it to the frame. It's easier this way, and just add your quad using the 260Q modeling balloon. By the way guys, the first option is to attach the quads directly on the frame itself. Since the gold round arch backdrop was too high, it almost touched the ceiling. We ended up using balloon 260Q or modeling balloon to attach our quads on there. So that was our best option. So we noticed that the gold is out of the way or is an eyesore, so we took it off and I transfer it right next to the green. So you can always step back, watch what you're doing, watch your progress, and make some change or rearrange if needed to. So we're almost done, as you can see. Now since we're on the base, I make it fuller or thicker by adding more clusters or quads of balloons. And again, I am using 260Q or modeling balloon to attach our quads to the existing organic garland. So in this video right here, you can see a closer look on how I tie my 260Q balloon to the quads. So basically I use the same color. If it's gold, I use gold 260Q balloon, and if it's beige, I use beige as well, so it will blend in. You won't be able to see the 260Q that is in between the balloon. So this one right here, the gold, as you can see, I make it extend to the front so I can put the floral arrangement on top, so that holds up your floral arrangement in place. The same thing, to attach your floral arrangement, I use 260Q. Just like that, and attach it tight to your balloon. And I support more balloons right there, as you can see, so it's not gonna fall out. My wife is helping me. Sometimes you need 4 hands. So I supported more 260Q on the balloon right there, so it's nice and secure. Just like that. Now this time I have the 5 inches balloon in quads, so this is our filler. The same thing, I tie it with 260Q on each of the 5 inches quads, which is our filler, and you just fill in the gaps here and there. And obviously you put the gold into gold, beige into beige, green into green. Alright, so just like that we fill in the gaps, and if you see rod or the frame, cover it up with the filler. And once again, once in a while you step back and check your work. And we're almost done. I hope you guys like this arrangement, and if you have any question, comment, suggestion, please leave it in the comment section down below. And there you go, this is finally done. I hope you like this, and if you do, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Once again, this is Fembem, and I thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.